In this video, I'm diving into the SJCam SJ20 Dual-Lens action camera. Now, I had grand plans for a traditional review. You know, the whole unboxing extravaganza, tech specs galore, and testing till the cows come home. But let's cut the chase. The SJ20 didn't quite earn that treatment. Stick around, I will tell you why. Oh, not to forget, I bought the camera with my own money, and only because it was criminally cheap for a brief moment. I paid 125 euros, something around, which was more than a bargain for what it promised, and for the price of around 250 euros that SJCam actually advertised. Let's kick off with the unboxing experience. Initially, things looked promising. The SJ20 arrives in a sizable box, neatly presented. However, the illusion quickly fades once I get my hands on the camera mounts. Cheap. That's the word. Thin plastic that doesn't inspire confidence in durability. But hey, at least I got two mounts. One for the camera with extra battery and one for the naked body. Plus, there's an immersion housing included. Supposedly good for depths over 5 meters. Though I must confess, the underwater housing closes so well that I have not managed to open it. Quality control, anyone? Now let's dive into the camera itself. Sporting that curious dual-lens setup. I reached out to SJCam for details on the sensors, but no response so far at the time making the video. On the online blog you can read it has two sensors. Somehow those sensors working together to produce something? Frankly, the whole blog entry sounds like it came straight from a chatbot. But I digress. I've got two lenses here. One with an aperture of f2.0 and the other at f1.3. On the back there's a 2.29-inch touchscreen, while the 1.3-inch front screen failed to work on my unit. In terms of video capabilities, I'm looking at max of 4K at 30 frames, while the highest possible resolution and frame rate combination is 1080p at 120 frames. Power-wise, it has a built-in 800 mAh battery and can be extended with a 1050 mAh battery. Sound decent on paper, right? Let's shift gears to the night test. For optimal results, I disabled gyro stabilization. All footage was captured in 4K at 30 frames. Let's have a look. Okay, this is now the f.2 lens. Let's have a look. This comes more close to how I see it. At least if I look on the screen looks nearly as it looks for me using my eyes. There's the instruments. Me with car coming. Yay. Can you see me? It's dark. It's 4:40 a.m. So back at the 1.3 f1.3 lens. How do I look? Traffic lights. Very blown out. Let's see if we can go on safe. There's a car coming. It's the f1.3 lens at 4:45 a.m. and this display at least shows not look good. Switching back to the f2.0 lens, and I still prefer it, especially for the colors. I mean, every settings are on normal or standard or whatever, right how it comes out of the box. There's a car coming. Ooh. Let him pass and then... Ooh! Scary! Not really. Because a little speed my car can do too. Maybe not that much, but should be enough to pass the trucks. Da 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 da. Truck, hello. And let's have a look. There's no car, so we can go over on the right lane. Ching. By the way, how is the microphone? I'm pretty close now to my mouse. Maybe, what is it? Maybe 10 centimeters, 5 to 10, 10 centimeters, not 5, 10, maybe 10 centimeters from my mouth. Can you hear my radio? Let's hope not, else I might get a copyright strike. Back to the 1.3 lens. Yeah, f1.3. We are now on the A66. Maybe you can or cannot read the signs. Look, there is a beautiful skyline of the next city. Can you see it? Maybe it's hidden behind all of those trees. And now we are at f2.0 again. And you see an ugly switch in color to green for some reason. What is wrong? Oh, and I can see the battery life is not that good. I can boogie. But if I point here on my radio, I like the color. It's very vibrant. It's more vibrant than in real. Here is my... And there's the street. Oh, and now it's yellow. Ah! He changed from green to yellow. That's weird. 30. I have to slow down. I'm 32. That's okay. Another thing is yellowish. I like yellowish. It's better than greenish. How does it look? Let's get a little more. Oh, that's a little more close to the street. Okay, same street. F1.3 lens. I try not to shake too much. And I have to admit, at least on the screen on the SJCam SJ20, it looks not too bad. And now on to daytime performance. Here I'll be stacking up the SJ20 against the Ace Pro from Insta360. Sure, it's not exactly a level playing field given the price discrepancy, but it's the only point of comparison I've got. Once again, I'm rolling in at 4K 30 frames, this time with video stabilization activated.
He doesn't know what he's doing, start tinkering without thinking. It's TianOnly, 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 TianOnly. Set yourself free, no matter what you come up with. Maybe scrap more than succeed, but in